answer that latter. See here, what is copyright infringement? Infringement is a violation of author's right, and we know that author is a owner, right? Author is a owner, and here what is happening? Unauthorized use of a copyrighted material, that is a infringement, and the right is conferred by Copyright Act 1957. Now, here that two industries are very important. Which two industries? Music and entertainment industry, and then the next is like that publishing industry. So, publishing industry and music and entertainment industry, these are the main we can say the important industries which are like that copyright is a very important to this in these two particular industries, you can say. Of course, in academic system also this copyright plays a major role.